already told y'all about this background. We're working on it. We are working on it. I'm going to get it together. But until then, I have another wig. So now this wig is from UNICE. And I do want to feel cute today. So we're going to put her on. Now this is not a regular wig. This does not have any lace. This is a VPart. We tried VParts. We like VParts for certain occasions. Okay. And why is this curly? My hair is straight. We're gonna figure it out. Anyway, so this is a 24-inch kinky curly. All right, and this is what she looks like straight out the pack. Is this a VPart? It is a VPart. Boom. So that girl, you see the cutout. Let's take her out the package. Okay. So this is what she's looking like. So I'm gonna flip her inside out. It's a mesh dome cap because we love a breathable wig and we love a non-heavy wig, okay? It has 4 combs in the leave out area, okay? I told you before, these feel okay only when you have a small, what is it called? Anchor braid. So if you're doing anchor braids right here, make sure that they are very small. So these can slip on and click. Exactly. The sliding combs for the side, just in case if you do anchor braids on the side, which you don't need. You do not. You have a big comb at the back of your nape so you catch the kitchen. And you also have an elastic band and a drawstring. If you got a smaller head, you can make it smaller for you. Do you feel me? Okay. So anyway, in order to put this on, you have to cut these off. So I'm gonna just take some scissors and you just cut as close to the wig as possible. Boom. Pop. There you go. All right, so here we are. So that's open. So I'm going to go ahead and braid my hair. I'm going to try to figure out a way to put this on without leave out. I know that because I don't want to wet my hair right now. And this literally mimics my natural texture. But yeah, your girl don't feel like wetting her hair, so we're gonna figure this out together. Okay. So the first thing I'm gonna do is comb out my natural hair. And yes, I am natural. This is just a silk press that is maybe 2 weeks old on me. So I'm going to part out a V-part because this is a V-part wig. And I'm going to part the section off, and then I'm also going to part my hair down the middle in the back and braid my hair in 2 braids. Like I said, my hair is old, so you're gonna see a little bit of flakes. It ain't that much, but you know, it's enough. I didn't know how I was gonna install this. I just knew it was a V-part, so but I didn't necessarily utilize the middle part that I left out like that. So I'm gonna just go ahead and braid both sides down, and then I'm gonna put 2 anchor braids on the side of the leave out that I left out.
On the beat.
So I did part my hair down in the middle, and then I just decided, I was like, yeah, I'm just gonna put all of this back in a ponytail, which is still fine that I did it this way because I still have those anchor braids, and the clips is literally sitting in those anchor braids right there. So I'm gonna go ahead and put my wig on, and then I am going to start teasing around the part just to make it fluffy to where it's not really noticeable, because I've seen girls do this, and let me tell you that was not for me. It still gave crochet hair, and I guess that's the purpose, you feel me? I guess that's the purpose of the look, but I didn't want to crochet it into my hair because I wanted to be able to take it off easily. So I was like, okay, let's do a curl fro, because that's, you know, my jam. Like, I love me a good curl fro. So I started chopping it away, layering it, making it round and fluffing it out. So that's what you're going to see me do right here. Okay, you guys, so this is the ending of this video. This is what I got. I have no leave out. I teased the middle so it could be an easy clip on and clip off. If you are anything bigger than a 22.5, you might have a little time struggling closing this up a little bit more. So this is definitely one for the girls with the big heads, okay? Because I'm a girl with a big head. So if you know that you want to have a curly unit instead of a straight one where you leave it out, then you're definitely going to have to, like, you know, bang it up a little bit, tease it, to where, you know, you could disguise it as if you have like a natural part in the middle, and then you could bring some hair to the front like I did. I always love hairstyles like this, especially in the winter, because it, you know, keeps you warm a little bit. But yeah, I do need to go in and shape it a little bit more. You can do leave out if you do have a hair texture similar to this. This is a kinky curly texture. I can actually leave out with this and it'll look even way better, but for the sake of this video I did not want to wear my natural hair, so I was like, we're gonna bypass that step. I'll probably come back on here and do another video with leave out so you can just see exactly how this looks, because my natural hair do have bangs, so it will definitely blend in with this texture really well. But if you do, you can also do the crochet method, where you just get this as close as possible and then take some of the hair and crochet it in front of your braid and pull it out. I don't want to do that because again, I want to be able to take off my wig. That's the purpose of wigs for me, is to have the conveniency and be able to take them off. Interested in a unit like this, I will have a link down below in the description box. And yes, like I said before, in my other VPart wigs, definitely get this sewn down like a sew-in, so you won't have to worry about, you know, if it comes off or fall off or anything like that. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this. I'm gonna turn on my other light because, you know, my dark background plus dark hair is clashing a little bit, so I want you guys to be able to see this. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this, and until next time, bye best friends.